Hello, Mighty Network hosts. Have you ever struggled to find a particular piece of content or conversation that you know exists inside your network? In today's tutorial, I'm going to help you learn to search like a pro. When you master the Mighty Network search functionality, you can ease your hosting duties, that saves you time, and also enhance the experience for your community. Join me as we dive into essential search techniques and look across searching on multiple different devices. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to help you be successful hosting your Mighty Network. Let's jump in and start searching. You can search the full network for all the content that includes a particular word or words. And in this case, if you want to, you might want to find the most recent content that talks about plans. There are times when I know there's been a conversation in a particular space that I want to find. So I search in that space. Usually it'll be something that's newer, so I change it to newest. And I know this conversation was in the comments, so I'm going to actually look here and only look at comments, not posts. Find the one I want. And now if I wanted to send people to this particular comment from somewhere else, I could just copy this URL and paste that somewhere else and say, hey, check out this conversation. These options are only available in the browser, not in the phone or tablet app. There are times when I want to look for something that I know I've posted. So here I'm using the filters to look for things that are my activity and specifically my posts, not a comment. That includes the words ChatGPT. When you click on a space that has highlighted hashtags defined, you can use those to do a quick search of something that the host thinks you're going to be interested in. Let's look at searching on the phone. We'll click the magnifying glass, put our search term in here, and search. Now I'm looking at all the different articles. I can sort them by newest again and see basically the same things that I can see on the browser. But I don't have the choice of looking at some of those filters for comments or posts or members. Searching on a tablet is a little bit different, so let's take a look at that. We're inside a space. I'm going to click on the little magnifying icon. The search appears on the left, and before I even touch this or type into the search bar, I can see all the highlighted hashtags for this space. So I'm going to touch the first one. The search list appears on the left with where I was looking, the space still in focus on the right, and I can click in and out of the things in my search list and they open up right on top of where I am. You can use search to find a member and even their activity, the things that they've posted. So use the members filter in the browser, find the member you're looking for, when you open their profile and click see activity, now you'll be able to see the different posts that they've interacted with, commented on, and posted. Here's another great feature for Mighty Network hosts. Look down here under your profile picture, click Admin, and all of your network settings are available here, and there's a search bar. So if I want to look at my plans here, I can find the plan list, other things related to plans. Maybe I want to look up logos. How can I set my logos? Click on imagery and I'm right there. Mastering Mighty Network search makes managing your network more efficient and effective. By being able to easily find existing content and conversations, you save time engaging your members with each other and guiding them to the results that they joined your network to get. If you have more questions about search or about creating successful Mighty Networks, I have some different options for you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch my other videos. I also have free content inside my Mighty Network. The link is in this video description. And I enjoy helping people with their specific situation through private sessions or my small group support. Happy hosting!